Guys, so now this is the top part of the outfit. So basically, guys, take a shirt, lay it down on your fabric, guys, and how I create this V shape stutter like normally a bias is going like that, and then they have the neck. I cut it like, I'm trying to turn the camera, like a triangle. And then what I do, I add, when I cut this, I just keep going down. These make the things that tie up around your waist versus me cutting it and adding two. When I cut it, I just cut it all at once, guys. And then I actually got the arms cut out. So I'm going to get up and I'm finna show you guys. Well, I'm going to stop it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right. Guys, so this is the other part of the outfit. So I'm gonna put it on and kind of show you guys. So guys, when you cut the bias right to make this shirt, so mine is going to be a little different. Like theirs on there, it's like the little tie. So I always kind of do a little switch up. So guys, basically what I'm telling you guys, when y'all cut out the bias of the shirt, y'all see how I cut these, and when I cut the shirt, I keep going down and make these little ties, because then you see how, like, when you go to tie the shirt, you tie it without me adding, oh, I just popped this side, without me adding additional ties to it. So that's kind of how I wind up doing these type of shirts, guys. So just take y'all bias, and when you take your bias, guys, cut it at like a V shape, and then just keep it going all the way down, and then cascade it around. See how it curves around like that, guys? And that would be how you guys is gonna make this top. So this is gonna be how you're gonna make this top. So you just cut it and curve it, and everything. Like, I create my own patterns, guys. I never really read patterns. I always like see something and I kind of do my own thing. And when I see another designer, and if I like stuff, I create it. And I had this one designer, this one lady that makes clothes, and she told me that she would never, and these is the little peplums, guys, that's going to go on the arms. If you see, these is, you cut them around in a circle, then you put a little hole, and this is going to go like this, guys. This is going to go on the shirt, and I connect the shirt. So, guys, she told me that she would never, ever take another designer's work and duplicate it. And I told her imitation is the best form of flattery. What do you think Bentley and all these other car people do that's out here making cars? If they see a Bentley, why do you think the Chrysler 300 came out looking like a Bentley? Because the Chrysler people see that everybody's loving these Bentleys, but they on a budget, they can't afford a Bentley. So they remake version of a Bentley. So God forgive me, that's probably why ain't nobody buying her stuff, because she don't think outside of the box, and she's stuck in, I never make something that another designer that's a copycat. No, that's imitation. It's flattery. So when I see something that another designer make, if I like it, I do it. I might do a little something different, but this world is monkey see, monkey do. What you see is what they want. So imitation is the best form of flattery. So yes, I will see another designer's clothes out there, especially when you have that brain freeze in your mind, not thinking. That's why Versace said he always hide a lot of his stuff and his work. He didn't allow people to watch him sketch and get his stuff together, because if you get those other designers that got a brain freeze and they're not they can't come up with nothing, what do you think they're gonna do? They're gonna look at what Versace's doing and they're gonna do it. They're gonna look at what Gucci is doing and they're gonna do it. They're gonna look at what Chanel is doing and they're gonna do it. So this whole world and the design world is monkey see, monkey do, guys. And I definitely will take something I see from another designer and make my own version of it, guys. So this is something I really love to do. That's why the wigs was 60 hours in labor, and it took a whole lot of my time. I couldn't use my creative vision. I couldn't do a lot with the wigs, but to be able to do the clothes, that is a lot more it's a lot more efficient for me, because I can do a lot more things with my time. So just want to give you guys a couple tips on that, and we're gonna slay and put this shirt together, and we're gonna go from there, guys. So stay tuned for the next part of this video. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys, so I'm putting together the shirt. So, guys, I want to give you guys another great tip. For me, clothes is like a puzzle. You just put it together just like a puzzle. And it got to fit like, you know, each part fits each part or whatever. Guys, there's a young lady on YouTube that was my favorite that make clothes. And I learned a lot of things from her, Misha TV. And even though I did the dressmaking and pattern design course online, majority of a lot of things I learned from Misha, you know, because she, you know, teach you how to sew without a pattern. And she was tragically killed, and for a minute I couldn't go on YouTube after, you know, her death, and even look at a lot of her videos, because it was very painful. Like, she was an idol for me. I really enjoyed her channel a lot. And I love how she will put together sew along projects and stuff like that. And she kind of had like a little speech impediment like me. And, you know, you would get ignorant people that would say or make fun of her. But she's very spiritual. Very godly, very godly. Like, God definitely was shining down on her life. I really enjoyed her channel. So if there's somebody out there that's making clothes, and I hope I'm saying her name right, Misha TV, and she's a light-skinned and petite, beautiful young lady. And her channel is still up. I think her husband runs her channel. But and she make beautiful pieces, guys. So if it's somebody out there that want to learn to make stuff, and that's probably why I don't really read patterns. I always looked at what Misha, you know, she'll show step by step a how-to video, and I will follow it. You'll put something in a comment. Like, I learned how to make puff sleeves. You know, you'll go on her channel and ask her, you know, to make something. And she was so sweet. She would make it for you and show you how to put it together. But guys, she's missed. Oh gosh, she's really missed. I really enjoy her channel a whole lot, guys. So if there's anybody in the sewing world that wants to learn how to sew and learn different things, her channel is still active. Leggings, all that stuff. I encourage you guys to go there. So that's kind of what I want to do, guys. Like, give back, like make a lot of different videos and stuff, and kind of show you guys how to put together, you know, a couple things, some simple stuff like that. So guys, thank you guys so much. Okay, so let me go over this part. So guys, if you can see, this is connected. So this is what it's looking like. That's connected. So now, guys, what I'm gonna do is the sleeves, and I'll show you guys how to do the sleeves. So guys, of course, sew down this side, and then I'll show you guys how to connect a sleeve for those of you who don't know how to connect the sleeve. But I'll show you guys that step. So I think I want to speed this up or stop it, because I'm just going to sew this down, and then when I get ready to connect the sleeve, I'll come back live. So, because I try to make my videos not so long, because sometimes videos be drawn out, and it take a long time to load. Okay, I'll come back when I'm connecting the sleeve. All right. As this shirt is coming together, I connected one sleeve already. So now I'm going to connect another sleeve for my people that's, you know, just started out sewing. So basically, guys, you're going to take the sleeve, and then when I say right sides together, you see this, and then I'm going to flip it this way. And then you start from the inseam. So you're going to find this seam. You see this seam going down the end of the sleeve, and that's the first pin that you're going to connect. You're going to connect that, and then, guys, we're going to pin it all the way around, and then we're going to sew that down. So I would say the longest part probably about this shirt would be the hemming process. So it's going to take quite a bit of hemming. So I'm excited to be bringing you guys these videos. Like, I really enjoy the sewing. I enjoy that a lot, to take things and create new things. Just being a designer, I love it. I said, you know, I wanted to be a stylist and the ones that get you know, people ready for big events. So like if there's somebody that's going to a big event and they wanted to have something different, something to wear, like I would like about 3 weeks to work with that person and kind of get exactly what it is they're looking for, because like I'm really good at researching. Like say for instance somebody see for instance Kim Kardashian, and she might be in a dress and they be like, oh my gosh, did you see the dress that Kim had on? And I go research it, and I'm the type, I probably can find that dress. I keep searching until I find a vendor that has it, or if I don't find a vendor that has it, I will definitely myself, if the dress, like if I can see the front, the back, the sides, then 9 times out of 10 I can create it, and sometimes I probably could not. So now guys, I just got the sleeves right sides together and lining up all of the seams, and I'm just connecting it now. And it depends on what stitch you want to use. Like this is a real scratchy fabric, so a lot of times you use a zigzag stitch when you're using like when you're doing a knit fabric. And then a lot of times guys, if you're ever trying to sew like some knit and you notice that your knit your thread keep coming loose and you like, oh my gosh, it will not sew to save your life, you're using a wrong needle. So if you ever do that and you keep threading your sewing machine and keep threading your sewing machine and keep threading your sewing machine, you will need a ballpoint needle. You'll be using the wrong needle. So that will cause the outfit not to sew if you got the wrong needle. So if you're doing, when people say, when I do heavy duty fabric like denim and sequins, I use heavy duty needles like denim needles and leather needles. So that's what you guys do. So now guys, I got the sleeve attached, and then you can go and clean up, you know, all of the old threads and stuff. But now that sleeve is attached, you guys see? So the sleeve is attached, and now what I'm going to do for you guys is put on the little bell, and then the last final part guys will be me connecting, like doing all the hemming, and that's gonna take a long time because you see, y'all see how long these is. So that one I won't do live. It's kind of self-explanatory. So guys, you guys see this when we go to put the bell on. So you see this, so we go right sides together. When you cut out your little peplum, so you see this right sides together, boom, flip it like that and line it up. And that's how you're going to put these little bells on. See? Line it up. Right sides together. So now we're going to put this on a sewing machine. And then, guys, the next time y'all see this, I'm actually going to put the outfit on, top and bottom. And this will be how you make that beautiful shirt. So, guys, I encourage you guys, to any designer that's out there and they're new to making clothes, Misha TV, guys. Just put in how to make clothes without a pattern, and she will come up. Anything you want to, and what is that? Nene G TV, and she's got her stuff with Simplicity now. I think Mini G or something like that. But yeah, her stuff is all over Walmart and all these places. And she have a studio in her house, and she's with Simplicity, if I'm pronouncing that right. You guys know my speech impediment, my STs, they don't come out right. So, okay guys, so that bell is on, so that'll be how you do that. And now I'm just going to stop the video so you guys see the bell is connected. See, that's how you're going to connect that, right sides together. So now guys, I'm finna do the long staking process of hemming this whole part. So that's going to take quite a bit, and I don't want to bore you guys, but when you guys do a hem, Roll it one time, roll it 2 times, and get to sewing. So that's what I'm finna do now, guys. I'm finna start sewing that part. So you guys, next time y'all see it, I will be totally done with this project, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Guys, when I'm doing the hem, I just decided to do a little bit of this because it might be some people that, especially when they're doing this knit fabric, it can be a hard thing to do the hemming. So guys, what I do, I take it, and you guys see it kind of rolls on its own. I take it and I roll it once, and I roll it twice, and then I lock it right there on the end. And that's how I would sew my ends down with this knit fabric, and give it this nice little casing. I'm gonna show you. You guys see that? That's giving it that nice little casing. So I roll it like that. So I just wanted to give you guys that little tip. So for somebody that may, you know, be like, oh God, how should it look? So that's how it'll be. And then just take your time with the rolling of the fabric. And yeah, so that's how you'll sew the ends on this knit fabric. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna keep it up. Next time y'all see it, I'm gonna have it on. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. I am back, guys, and I have finished with the project. And if you guys can see, I have the little bells and whistles on there, and the little bells and whistles on my arms. So guys, with this top, we could do it multiple ways. I gotta be careful not to. So if you wanted to have it kind of like the models, you guys can tie it this way, guys, or you can do it like multiple ways. So what I did, because I don't necessarily want my belly out, but if you guys want your belly out, just kind of push it down, and then you can have more stomach out. And then with the tassels being so long, you guys can wrap it around like this, or it'd be just multiple different ways that you guys can do it. But I wouldn't necessarily like my stomach out, so I would cover that. So when you guys make it, just depending on how long you guys want y'all wasting, so you guys can just cover that. But I think it is amazing fabric. I love the fabric, guys. I love the fabric, and I love the scratchiness. So this is the completed project. Let's see. I'm trying to think of what kind of shoes would I wear. Due to the fact, if you guys see, it's got that sparkling silver. I probably would wear maybe some silver shoes, or I don't know. I really don't know what I would wear, like far as shoes wise. And if you guys wanted to just let that hang, but you got to be careful for it not to, you know, rub the ground. But or you can like just some neat little unique things, guys. Just put your own twist on it. Like take this and kind of shove it in your pants like this or something. Like give it a special design or something. I don't know, guys. Just being creative. You can do different things with it. And then guys, remember, you could change the color. You can make it any color that you guys want. You can make it any color that you guys want. So I want to give you guys the finishing projects. Thank you guys so much. And as always, guys, God bless, and keep those beautiful outfits coming, guys. Yes, the summer is going to be here. I'm going to be making some awesome clothing, guys. Yes, so you could just do a little different stuff with it. I don't know. That was just something crazy I came up with. So thank you guys so much. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye. Hi guys, these is a couple still shots for you guys, but I love this remake. And guys, try this project out. I love it a lot. Thank you guys for always supporting and watching my channel. And as always, God bless to you, lovely ladies and gentlemen. Thank you again for watching my channel. As always, God bless. Bye-bye.